In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video into your Word document seamlessly, whether you're preparing a report, a presentation, or any document that requires a multimedia touch. Knowing how to incorporate video can really make your work stand out. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening the Word document where you want to embed the video. Make sure you've placed your cursor exactly at the point where the video should appear. This will set the stage for where your video icon will be placed, ensuring that everything is positioned according to your layout needs. Now, let's navigate to the Insert tab on the Word ribbon. This is where you'll find various options for enriching your document with different objects and media. Once you're there, look under the text group for the Object button. This is the gateway to adding all kinds of files directly into your document, including our focus for today: videos. When you click on the Object button, a dialog box will open up. You'll notice two tabs here: Object Types and Create from File. You want to select the Create from File tab for this process. This tab will allow you to add an existing video file from your computer into your Word document, which is precisely what we're aiming to do. Next, hit the Browse button. This will open up your File Explorer window, giving you access to search for the video file stored on your computer. Go ahead and locate the video file you want to embed. Once you've found it, click on it to highlight it and then press Insert. This action will select your video file for embedding. If you're thinking about file size and portability, here's a handy tip. There's an option labeled Link to File. If you choose not to check this box, your video will be embedded within the document itself. This means that the video will travel with the document, making it a part of the file. On the flip side, should you opt to check this box, your video will remain a separate file from your document, reducing the overall size of the Word document, but requiring the video file to stay in the same place whenever you open your document. Choose the option that best suits your needs and preferences. Once you've made your decision, click OK to finalize the insertion. You'll then see a video icon or a preview of your video in the document. This is your cue that everything has been successfully integrated. Finally, to play your video, simply double-click on the object or icon in your Word document. This action might open your default media player, allowing you to view the video right from the document, ensuring seamless integration of text and video content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a dynamic video component to your Word document. This easy-to-follow process will undoubtedly enhance your documents and provide your readers with a more engaging experience.